Hey everybody, it's Max with PhoneArena.com. We are at Google I/O 2013 here in San Francisco, California, where among other announcements about Google Play Music and other enhancements coming to the development platforms that make the Google ecosystem what it is, one of those was a whole series of enhancements that have been made to Google Maps, which is a near ubiquitous platform. Almost everybody in the world uses it, all over the place. And so with us today we have Sierra from the Google Maps team. She's going to show us all the goodies that have been made or enhanced in Google Maps and why you're going to want to keep on using it. And with that, Sierra, I'm going to let you take it away.
Sure. Awesome. So this is the new Google Maps experience. You'll notice that the map is the user interface. We've removed a lot of the Chrome in and around the map so that the map is really on center stage and there to help you with any search or directions that you may need to find. So let's dive in. Let's do a sushi search. I love
you
sushi.
Like sushi? So do I.
And here you'll see instantly one of our biggest changes. Here we are on the Pixel, which is fun because it's touchable.
Yep, touch screen and a vibrant, wonderful screen.
Yes, absolutely. So here is a search for sushi in San Francisco. The first thing you'll notice is that all the results are right on the map. So you see Sushi Bistro, Sushi Rock. The names of places that pop up a little bit more prominently, so the ones that are bolder, are deemed most popular within the context of this search based on data and feedback we get from Zagat.
They are not ad-driven. We were talking about that earlier, which is kind of interesting. And they have a context to it. So like here at Tataki Sushi and Sake Bar, it's creative roles and sustainable seafood.
Yeah,
so
we
Sushi
put little
Bistro, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon lettuce wraps.
Oh, that must be what's best to get at Sushi Bistro.
That must be their special, yeah.
Yeah, well, we wanted to make it really easy for people to find information and make a decision on where they want to go have sushi, for example, without doing any other searches except for sushi. So that's why we've put that context and information straight on the map.
It's better than those map markers that you used to have, you know, where corresponding letters and the pane there on the left side.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Now the map remains the UI, or the user interface, and all the information you need is right there. And now let me show you how you can get more information. Just simply click on the place you want to go. Kichi Sushi looks good. And here you see the new card experience in Google Maps. You get information for the business, like the hours of operation, their website, their phone number, all within one place. You also see Zagat content, ratings, and reviews here. And what's really neat is now the Street View experience is embedded directly into the card. So say we want to zoom inside and see what this place looks like, maybe pick a table before we make a reservation, just simply click there.
Look at that.
And you'll be taken into our business photos experience.
What a great introduction you've done there too. Just you zoom right in.
Yeah. So we have this type of imagery. So basically Street View for the inside for over 100,000 businesses around the world. So we can take a look. It looks like it might be nice to sit here at that table. But this is also a good opportunity to show you our new imagery experience as a whole for Google Maps. You'll see that we've brought all the imagery that we have from Street View, user-generated content, straight here in the bottom into the imagery carousel. This looks like a user-generated photo. You can also click straight through to Street View, jump outside, see what it looks like outside. This is helpful if you've never been here before. You want to kind of check out what it looks like so you recognize it when you get there. And let's say we want to go here for dinner tonight. So we'll just click back out to the map, click on directions. We're going to go from the Google office here in San Francisco to Kichi Sushi. Looks like that's not working. We can try again. Jump to Moscone. Let's see if we can get directions from Moscone to, say, Zuni Cafe. This is one of my favorites here in the city, actually. Okay,
but you know, and to our readers, you have 6,000 geeks cramming a network, guys. So you know, even the best of the players here are going to run into hiccups every now and again. So you know, we're going to give that a pass for now. But what's interesting and what we were talking about is that when it does generate a route, it will provide.
Here's an example.
Okay,
so the network is back up.
Yep.
So here's an example of the new directions experience in Google Maps. So you'll see what's really cool about this is that we compare directions for you across modes of transportation right on the map. So the blue here is driving directions, and it tells you exactly how long it would take. And then we also have other options for driving through different streets. And then, as in the classic Google Maps, you can click on public transportation if you're interested in that. Looks like the network is not working still, but it's a great
it'll generate different routes, estimated time.
Right,
and
straight on the map, so you get that kind of instant visual cue of what might be the best way to get there. But let's show you the Earth experience if the network will help us out here, because this is really interesting too. So now
this takes you right into a Google Earth type experience, and that leads me to another question here. Google Earth will continue to be a standalone project in and of itself, right?
Absolutely,
and this is just Google Maps now taking advantage of all that gobs of data and integrating it into its own experience.
Yeah, so Google Earth will remain a standalone app, and that app is really robust. There's lots of enterprise features and layers and data sets that are within the Google Earth app. What we did is we took the best kind of consumer experience from Google Earth, and we made it available directly within the new Google Maps experience. So I use Google Earth just for fun stuff like zooming out, looking at the world, checking out kind of like the satellite view here. So as we zoom out, you can see that, let's zoom out. And here we are. The Earth zooming through space. And what's really neat about this is that all of this data is real time. So these clouds are real time. The position of the Earth within the atmosphere is real time. These folks right here are currently experiencing a sunset. And this is all right within the map, right within the browser, rendered locally here on the Pixel, which is really, really exciting and possible because of WebGL.
That's right.
So if we click back
and having said that, WebGL, most browsers will be able to support a lot of this experience, but there are a couple browsers that will not support that, so they won't get the full robust experience of Google Maps if they're using an alternate browser. So we'll make that a little plug for the Chrome browser in that environment, which obviously is the browser of choice on the Chromebook Pixel. So that kind of touches on that. What other kind of neat things have been added to this thing to Google Maps for the folks that are interested?
Sure.
Pick me one other feature, then we're going to...
Sure, absolutely. So I think something that's neat is our new iconography. So you can see here that we've added icons to the map to give you that instant visual cue of kind of what you're looking at. And the more you use the map, the better it gets. So this is a demo account here. It looks like she has been to some of these restaurants, but others she hasn't been. So the Rick House, for example, is colored in orange because that's a place she's been and maybe reviewed or rated. Whereas this place here, Salt House or RN74, has been recommended to her because it's deemed a similar result to Rick House. Something that she expressed, she's interested in here. And
that's aggregated from Google Plus. What your friends maybe like, or just public reviews through Zagat and other.
It's any public information that you've signaled to Google, like a rating or public review in Google Plus.
Good stuff. So those are neat features, and it's really just the tip of the iceberg of what Google Maps is capable of doing. But if we do that, we're going to end up having like a 1-hour video here. So with that, we will keep you guys up to speed with what's happening here at Google I/O. We will bring you some other neat features about Google Maps in future articles. And with that, keep it posted at PhoneArena.com for more updates about the Google I/O Conference 2013 here in San Francisco. Thanks a lot, Sierra.
Thank you.